Hello, baby birdies. Hi. Are you cute, baby birds?
Let me see.
Hang on. Baby buddies. Baby buddies. Baby buddies. Baby buddies. Okay, baby buddies. Baby buddies. Okay? Baby buddies. Right? Baby buddies. Baby buddies. I want to see the baby buddies for a second, okay, guys? I'm just going to show you around where we are. We're underneath our deck, so some names out of there. And let me know when you're done seeing the baby birds, okay? I'll let you know when I'm done seeing the baby birds. Okay? Aww. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. They're cute. Oh, they're so cute. What are you doing, Luke? Oh, you baby birds. Alright, I'm going to go over here to the adder nest and show you guys that nest for a second, okay? Let's look at this, guys. Oh, wait, there. Okay, look. And then made a little nest up there, too. And then you put some grass up there. Hang on! And over here, around the edges, so if the bird fell off, it would fall into the grass. Sorry, my finger's in the way, guys. There you go. Look, cool, right? Alright, I'm gonna go see my